Playing Five Nights at Freddy's. I'm doing it. I'm not playing those because I'm a scaredy cat. I'm not doing those. What do you want? Oh, get thrown at. Oh, crazy. What? Oh, but I haven't started yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play parts and service. I didn't do any of these. Actually, I did Freddy, but the rest of these are for my sister. So, Barney. Crazy. Grab and release, push buttons, make repairs. Got you. Crazy.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
My left or his left? Guess my left. Okay, so it was his left. Could have told me that. Restart. Oh, I could have grabbed that cupcake. Kizzy.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Okay.
Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left.
My left.
Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right.
What if the gear was buckled? That wasn't my fault. That wasn't my... I was holding grip. We all know. I was holding grip. I was holding grip. It dropped by itself.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar. Great job.
Give me
Deposit the... Well done. Now, deposit the right eye in the cleaning... Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks.
Which one do I do first?
Well done.
What the?
Bonnie's
What did I do?
Press the blinking...
What did I do, man? Was I supposed to press the left one? See, go into the fan. Okay. I did follow instructions. I did what it told me to.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Great job. Deposit the left. Well done. Deposit the right eye in the... Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks.
What the? Bonnie, I'm superior to you.
Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module. Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode.
This one?
Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note.
Whoa, colored button.
Press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his
drinking?
solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Shrink. Okay, can I shrink now? Did it go this one? Yeah. Same order.
Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.
Boom. Get punched. Alright. I'm still gonna do Frit. Ooh, prize. Actually, I'm not gonna do Freddy. Freddy was hard. Oh my god. Get greeted on. What? Did I die? I do. I'm gonna say I beat that because I did. Fan. Oh. I did that correctly. I'm gonna skip Freddy. Freddy was hard. I ain't doing Freddy. Okay. Start. Crazy.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. There have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior and place it in the refuse bin on your right.
This? Is that it?
Good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside her beak.
No, please
To
don't.
open her beak, carefully press the two buttons located on the sides of Chica's head. Oh no, it looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment restaurant grade chemi spray to Chica's exterior. Press the button under the hanging canister to activate the chemi spray.
How'd you eat pizza so hard that you lose your arm? Oh, you can.
Avoid inhaling the chemi spray.
Okay.
Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
Boom, boom, boom. Get slapped. Oh.
Well done. Oh no, it looks like Chica needs another dose of the chemi spray. Do not let the infestation spread. Be sure to give the canister button another push as needed. Return the cupcake to Chica's plate.
Where are you? Come here.
Great job. Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids again. Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well done. Go on. Delicious. See you next time.
Let me grab it. I can't grab it. Alright, time to do Foxy. Please don't. Please don't. Oh. I forgot this one's name. I think it was like a mangle or something. What is this? What did I do? What the? What'd that do? I don't know what that did. I'm gonna do Foxy. I'm afraid the Foxy's gonna be hard. Bro, why am I always turned around?
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place...
Oh! Stay back. I got a hammer. Angel push. Where is he? Try to trip him. And then slap him with the hammer. Okay, now I know what not to do. Not slap his head.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton.
I want it now.
Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse.
Green. Blue, green. Blue, green. What the? Hey! What did I do wrong? Stay back. Get! Silly. How's Bert running if he was malfunctioning? FNAF lore. Come on, I got this time.
Welcome back to... Oh no. It looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the... Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
What is this?
Oh no. It looks like a former employee attempted to repair...
Foxy? 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 What the heck did I do? What? What did I do wrong? Did I grab his favorite toy or something? It was...
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no. It looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning.
Blue, green.
It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
Move your legs.
You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed... Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. Oh no. It looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse.
Stupid.
Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm receptacle.
Stop it. Stop it. Ah! Go in there. Wait. Blue, green, red. Blue, green, red. Ah, ooh, that's scary. Blue, green, red. Blue, green, red. Ugh. Wait! What? Okay, what did I do this time? That was blue, green, red. I will kill you. I will kill your plush. Oh. Bro got jump scared by himself. Okay, I have no idea what I've been doing wrong. Did I place it upside down? I don't know. It's your fault.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
What?
Foxy, oh no. It looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. Oh no. It looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse.
Blue, green, red. Okay. Okay. What did I do this time? I'm throwing hammers now. I'm gonna do this one more time. I'm gonna do it one more time. Into the void you go. Whee! Oh. Okay. Now hiring but okay. Okay.
Welcome back to Parts and... Oh no. It looks like Foxy's proprietary
Green,
servo
red.
motors are malfunctioning.
Green, red.
Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
Or green,
oh no.
blue, blue.
It
Green,
looks
blue,
like
blue.
a former employee attempted to repair
Green, blue,
Foxy's
blue.
chest
Green, blue,
motor
blue.
using an incorrect fuse.
Green, blue, blue.
Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into...
Nope. I quit. I quit, Foxy. Eyeballs. Oh! Where'd the eyeball go? No, I'm doing Freddy. I'm doing Freddy now. I'm doing Freddy. Foxy just doesn't like to be repaired. No.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Okay, fine. One more
Foxy,
time.
oh no. It looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning.
Green.
It is recommend... Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs.
Bro. I will throw this big odd gear at you. Okay, I'm not doing Foxy. I'm not doing Foxy. For sure, I'm not doing Foxy. Because Foxy broken. Yeah, Foxy's broken off. Bo really thinks I did something wrong. I was fixing him. Okay. Actually, wait, what happened? Wait, when it turned this. Oh. Who looks the scariest? Foxy. Okay, I'm gonna do Foxy on this. See if Foxy's broken here. Ugh. Wait, no, it's the same thing.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
He's burning.
Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on... Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs.
I just have to wait for him to
A gentle
speak.
reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
Oh, no, jump here.
No.
Oh, the gear's burning
It looks
now.
like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse. Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm receptacle.
Oh, that's what I've been doing wrong. Okay. Upper arm.
Well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
Okay, that's blue, green, blue. I can't tell what's which. Blue, green, blue. Wait, is it? I can't tell. It's flashing. I'm scared. Blue. What the? Okay, it did that on purpose. No, I gotta find a weapon. I'm doing Freddy. I'm doing Freddy on the scaly mode. Oh my god. This is gonna be the last one in the video. Not fun. Why is it? Parts and Service. Freddy! Hey! Surprised Freddy wasn't first, then Bonnie, then Chica, then Foxy. 5 Nights at Freddy's.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Whoa!
It looks like
man.
one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Let's return it to the Lost and Found.
The bite of
Carefully
97?
grab and
or
Freddy's
87?
got a pretty good hold of it. Give it another for good job. Now place the hat in the lost and found bin on your right. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside.
Oh.
To access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring.
Get out.
Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box.
Well, how do you manage to do that?
The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left. Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton. Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
Wait, can I actually do this first try?
Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity and we'll call it a day. Oh no, you seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not good. A replacement may be found on the work table.
Why can't I just
pick
it up?
A slow and even pace is recommended.
Move. Okay. Okay, I will beat it. I will beat it. I think it's going fast, though. Boop. Restart. Okay. Once I
Welcome
beat
back
it,
to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left. Freddy's got good job. Now place the hat. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found. Good job. It appears there is a child. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left. Great job. To reset the... Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
Boom, 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 boom. Okay, I'm ending the video. I literally just had a heart attack.